abajumbe banyaka bakomera namo n'abaseneta unenjira ya moyo kuligia ukugayana na konyora ukoigwana igoro y'ikibeza kisisa kirego kigotoma ngo cyase county asenjira ya magendero amo no botumeki kurende nigo gukira bonaiga ukoigwana gotaratoka gati y'abajumbe amo n'abaseneta igoro y'ekerenga gose kibeza kiri kigose ekaganje keligeta kire na kibeza ni nanga kitakirego cha ase county.
And in that regard, therefore, we are talking to ourselves here to make a decision, but we are also talking to other stakeholders to understand the issue. And the stakeholders here is not just governors. The stakeholders is also people who have not been paid for months, for example, in our county governments. Stakeholders are Kenyans. And therefore, if you allow me, Honorable DK, because we are taking minutes, we are on Hansard, let's not be conclusive on any matter.
It's very important that we move beyond issues that are a bit in view of, like your hands are not clean and that issue, so that we can give guidance on the subject matter with objectivity. And the reason why I say objectivity is there is no need of having this mediation meeting if we are not coming to meet.